Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create next level marquee designs for Shopify. Most of the marquee designs you usually see are basic and outdated, but the world top class brands are using this kind of premium marquees. I swear, once you add these marquee designs to your store will instantly look premium and high end. And the crazy part is, no one on YouTube has shown this type of marquee designs yet. Everything you see out there is super basic and not attractive at all. The best thing, these marquee designs will work with any Shopify theme, and trust me, you won't find these luxury creative marquee designs anywhere else to buy. If you are using apps for marquees, your store speed often slow down and you have to pay a monthly fee. But with my marquee designs, you just download once and use them for a lifetime. No extra cost. Plus, your store speed will stay fast and optimized. So, if you want to learn how to add these powerful marquee designs to your Shopify store, make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on Online Store, and after that, click on Themes. Now, you will be able to see your current theme. Next to the theme, you will find a 3-dot menu. Click on it. Then select Edit Code. A new tab will open. On the left side, you will see your theme name, and below that, you will find a different theme folder. Go to my YouTube description box and download the file. After downloading, you will get a PDF file. Inside the PDF, you will find Google Docs links for the 4 marquee designs shown in this video. First, open all the docs. Since there are 4 marquees, you will see 4 separate doc files. Now, I am inside one of the doc files. Here you can see the section name and the full section code. First, I will copy this section name. Then go back to the Edit Code tab in Shopify. Here you can see a folder called Section. Inside the Section tab, we need to paste the section name we copied earlier. So I click on Section, create a new file, and paste the name here and press Enter. That's it, a new section is created. Now you can see the blank code box. Here is where we will paste our marquee code. I will go back to the same doc file from where I copied this section name. Now I copy the full code. And paste it into the blank box. Then click Save. Done. Our new marquee section is ready. You can repeat this same process to add all the other marquee designs to your Shopify store. Now I am back to Shopify admin panel. Then go to Themes. Next to your theme, you will see a button called Edit Theme. Click on it. As soon as you click, it will take you to the theme customization panel. On the left side, you will find the option called Add Section. Click on it After clicking, you will be able to see the marquee section that we added. Depending on your theme, they might appear at the top or bottom, so make sure to look carefully. Now I am clicking on one of the marquee section and instantly it gets added to the page. From the left panel, you can easily change the text, color, speed and direction. Customize everything the way you like, then click the save button on the top right. That's it, your marquee has been successfully added. You can also drag and drop this section to move it up or down anywhere on the page. Now I am adding the rest of the marquee section one by one. So now you know how powerful these marquee designs can be. If you want to get these premium marquee designs for your store, check the link in the description box below. Download it once and use it for a lifetime, no extra cost. Make your store look premium, clean and high converting. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.